Greeting comrades. There is an appointment that is coming now. The appointment of the new Secretary General of the MK Party. We are here to announce Ms. Dr. Masego as a new Secretary General of the MK Party. Dr. Masego has written a letter of accepting of his position to the new portfolio that has been assigned by the organization. The letter has been coming from the office of the Secretary General from the 4th of August 2024. The letter reads as follows. The above matter bears reference. The communique seeks to inform all constituency members of Mkondo Sizwe Party. The MK Party political program, which will into configuration the political program with the office of the Secretary General of the party. The important exercise is designed to build the capacity in the party so effectively and efficiently respond to an ever-growing challenge of the official opposition political party in South Africa. The envisaged political design is meant to deal with both intra and as well as interpolitical challenges. The dynamics to respond adequately as we build the future ruling party in the next 5 years. All these envisaged changes will be effective from the date of the signature of the Secretary General. In executing my duties and responsibilities, I will be focusing on the following elements as a matter of agency. Point number 1, developing an overall and a nationwide organizational strategic direction with the key to philosophically, ideologically and strategic thrust that will advance the MK Party as the future leading political party, rearing to become the desired and the genuine liberation movement for all South African in generally and African people in particular. Point number 2, to develop the official measures that will govern the following which should be achieved within the next 2 weeks. Unobhala jikelele 14 days, bamba. This is what will happen in 2 weeks. Regulatory and the governance imperative, including decorum of all leaders of the party, and this will include inter alia the following: finalize the constitution of the MK Party within 14 days. Finalize the policies of the MK Party within 14 days. Develop the integrated stakeholders relation plan for all leaders of the organization, which will include the code of conduct and vetting of all deployed personnel of the party at all levels. Okusho ukuthi comrade, labantu abaseparliament bazovethwa khona bangena ngopotsho abengababiza amagama abo bazophuma bebakhipha uDr Masuku manje nazonke ziyakhala. Develop an integrated stakeholder relation plan for all leaders of the organization, which ngicethile lapho. Develop integrated resource plan of the entire party, develop an integrated leadership framework of the party, organize culture, party ideology and party values. Comrade iziyakhala unobhala omusha njengoba sengenileka niyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngiyaqhubeka ngiyangayiqeda incwadi yakhe ngiqhubeka kancane. One more point. Point number 3, to attend all structural arrangements of the party at all levels, which will include, amongst others, the members of parliament, members of provincial legislature, and support staff, amongst others. Public administration structures, MK Party provincial structures, local government structures, ongoing mobilization, and recruitment for MK to be party of choice. Point number 4, to develop the penetration of permission plan that will enlighten and report to the overall rank of file constituency members of the party, overall progress of the party at all ground levels. And B, please note that MK Party members should financially commit the party on any financial obligation or sign any document committing the party financial, politically, or otherwise, without the written approval from the Office of the Secretary General, to improve the turnaround time attending to any matters which require attention to the Secretary General's office. All above mentioned organizational configuration will be delivered within the next 2 weeks from the date of the signature. These political configurations will be implemented in all organizational structures as a direct strategic intervention to increase, to build capacity and in the party. The first few months of our existence of Mkhonto weSizwe Party have been eventful and squarely focused on the election. Work with the little time dedicated in building the organizational capacity and the kind of party capable of addressing all challenges facing the majority of the people of South Africa. It is our collective responsibility for each and every member of the party to first and foremost be the volunteer-in-chief, a good ambassador, a community activist, a campaigner, and above all, a reputable community leader with unparalleled knowledge of party policies and programs. This is coming from the Secretary General, Dr. Sifiso Masego. Ningizimu Afrika siyabonga dokotela siyakwamukela ofisini le-MK Party. La into besifuna besingalwini neqembu, but we needed a full iqembu abantu abale direction, abantu abaphithizelayo nje ofisini. Siyabonga South Africa.